Continuation part of performing Comapany annually. 7. Industry and peer comparison. Compare the company's performance and ratios with industry peers. Consider relative strengths and weaknesses. 8. Macroeconomic factors. Consider the impact of economic conditions, interest rates, and inflation on the company. 9. Social and environmental factors. Assess the company's stance on social responsibility and environmental sustainability. Thus, investor presentations and conference calls. Review investor presentations and listen to conference calls for additional insights. 11. Stay updated. Regularly monitor news, updates, and financial releases. 12. Summarize and make recommendations. Consolidate your findings into a comprehensive analysis. Make recommendations based on your assessment. 13. Consider expert opinions. Read analyst reports and industry expert opinions for a broader perspective. 14. Risk mitigation. Highlight potential risks and propose risk mitigation strategies. 15. Scenario analysis. Consider different scenarios and their potential impact on the company. 16. Finalize investment decision. Make an informed decision based on your analysis. Remember that company analysis is an ongoing process, and regular updates are essential to adapt to changing market conditions and company developments. Additionally, seek professional advice if needed, especially if you are new to financial analysis. Stay tuned for more updates.